Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the Ajio app and signing in so your experience is consistent. Next, use the search bar or categories to find the product quickly. Once you see matching tiles, tap the one that exactly matches the model or color you want. Make sure it's the correct size and variant. This step narrows results, so the following review section applies to the right item, and it avoids confusion between similar listings. Once on the product page, scroll past images and details until you reach the reviews section. You'll see a summary with average stars and top comments. Tap filters to view only 5-star or 1-star feedback, verified buyers, or reviews mentioning size, fit, or quality. This helps you focus on what matters. If you want more context, tap See All Reviews to load the full list and any user-uploaded photos, which reveal real-world appearance and fit. You should read recent and verified reviews first, because trends change and verified buyers tend to be more reliable. Compare photos to product images to judge color and fabric in real life. Make sure to scan seller responses for quality control or resolution history. They can reveal how issues are handled. If reviews don't appear, force close and reopen the app, check your connection, or clear the app cache. These quick fixes usually restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.